Tav is here to tell us one aspect that really makes Wichita State stand out: its strong connection to industry. The university is dedicated to creating technology-driven solutions that address the critical challenges faced by industry and government. Tav, please tell us how the students here play a vital role in building those solutions through research and applied learning. You're on.
Thanks for the introduction, Alex. Hi, everyone. I'm an international student from Zimbabwe, and growing up, I've always known I wanted to study something that combined my love for technology and real-world problem-solving. When I was searching for colleges, I discovered Wichita State University and was blown away by the applied learning opportunities they had to offer. Wichita State's National Institute for Aviation Research, or NIAR, and its Advanced Technologies Lab for Aerospace Systems offer incredible applied learning opportunities. I've had the chance to work in state-of-the-art labs, including wind tunnels and crash labs. Through NIAR, I've been involved in hands-on research projects that help build my resume and give me real-world experience that I know will be invaluable in my career. These projects have been a fundamental stepping stone for my industry experience, which has helped me land an internship at Textron Aviation. The best part about these opportunities is that they are not limited to engineering students. They're available to students from all majors. One of the best things about Wichita State is the inclusive community it offers. As a member of the Student Government Association, I've had a chance to shape what happens on campus. Being a resident assistant has allowed me to create a supportive environment for other students on campus. This vibrant campus life has enriched my college experience immensely. When I stepped foot into the air capital of the world, I never imagined I would learn so much, both academically and personally. WSU has propelled my career toward avionics and cabin electrical systems, focusing on the electrical engineering side of my passions. This isn't the last time that you hear my name. I'm excited to continue soaring new heights in this field. That's my story. Back to you, Alex.
And soar you will, Tav. It's really incredible that Wichita State students can put what they're learning in the classrooms into practice while working side by side with professionals in real-world work environments. That is awesome. Take care.